Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's lesson. Previously we stopped at lesson 4 or lesson 5. We stopped at lesson 4. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at lesson 8 puzzle 5. So what I want you to do right now is to log in to this site studio.code.org using your email address and your password. The website again, studio.code.org. Now when you log in, you already have your class code at which you are going to use to join the session. Now for those of you that doesn't have email address and password, for those of you that I've created, you can find your email address and password here. So I want you to go through this video. When you see your name on this list, you pause it, you copy your email address and the password on top of the paper. Okay, so you go through this list, then when you see your name, you pause the video, you copy the email, and then you copy the password also. Okay, so having done that, let's get started. So today we are going to look at formatting. That is formatting of web pages. The way you write your code can make it easier or harder to find bugs. If you use white space and indentation, it will make it easier to read and easier to fix. What is formatting? Formatting is arranging text in a way that makes it easier to understand. In creating web pages, the process of arranging your text to make it easier for you to read or for someone to read is called formatting. And there are two ways by which web pages can be formatted. These two ways are using white space and indentation. So white space and indentation are the two ways by which web pages can be formatted. What is white space? White space refers to any character that shows up as a blank space on the screen, such as a space, a tab, or a new line. So any character that shows up as a blank space on the screen, such as a space, is called what? White space. For example, this is a white space. This place is what? White space. So it makes it easier for you to read. The next one is indentation. Indentation is the placement of text further to the right or left to separate it from surrounding text. Placement of your text far to the right or far to the to the left to separate it from the surrounding text. Example, this is indentation. When you separate your text, for example, this P, the paragraph, was separated from the body and it was aligned to the left. So this is it. So when you look at this web page, you will see the white space but no indentation over here. Okay, so what you are going to do on this page is to debug this web page and format it using white space and indentation. Now let's get started. Do this. Look at the code with your partner and discuss how you should format the code to make it easier to read. Make the code easier to read by adding new lines and indentation. Fix all the bugs so that your page matches the target page below. Where is the target page? Okay, this is the target page. Odd cars. Okay, now let's go through the target page. Okay, so this is exactly what they want us to do. They want our new page to be exactly like this. So now let's go to our web page over here and check whether they are the same. Okay, many things are missing here. So you have to do what? You have to debug this web page. Now let's start. The header is what? Odd cars. You come over here, you scroll, odd cars. The heading is correct, H1. Good. So what do? Indentation. Okay. Click on this space, click enter. You place your paragraph. P. Okay. Now this is indentation. You have taken the text far to the left. Okay. Now the white space, you close the paragraph P. Okay, that is it. So what cars? There are many. Okay, you remove this. The paragraph is supposed to end at drive. P. You close it. Okay. You insert your enter so that we will have a white space. Now we have white space here. Okay. So if it is not enough for you, you can still click enter again. Okay, so that it will be clear. Like this. Okay. So we have the heading, we have the paragraph. The next is what? This heading, different types of cars. Okay, where is it? Okay, H4, different types of cars. That's good. So you come over here and click enter. Alright, when you click enter, okay, you separate from the surrounding text. You have the UL, the unordered list. And unordered list means what? Arrangement using bullets. So let's check over here. Okay, we have these different types of cars all arranged. That's good. Picture gallery. Okay, so you come over here and arrange these. You have a UL. You align this. Okay, separate each one from the surrounding text. Okay, LI opening tag, LI closing tag for woodcut. That's good. LI opening tag, LI closing tag. Okay, no closing tag for Oscar Mayer car. Okay, you come over here, you edit this. Okay, the second one is a LL being boot mobile. You add the list tag, opening list tag. Okay, now this is the closing list tag. Okay, click enter. The last one is the grass car, the opening list tag, but no closing list tag. You add the closing list tag. Okay, close it. All arranged. Alright. So what's next? The picture gallery. Picture gallery. Okay, having arranged this, then you end it with what? UL, the unordered list tag. The UL. Okay, end it. So you have your H4 as a picture gallery. The picture gallery, this is the picture gallery, correct, is here. Alright, so indentation. The next one is the what? Image of what? The first type of car is the wood car. So you go over here, you look for the file name, that is the image description of the wood car. So this is the wood car, wood car.jpg. Okay, you come over here and debug this image tag to find out why the image is not displaying over here. Alright, so img src wood car.jpg. Okay, yeah, I found the bug. There is no quotation mark here. Add the quotation mark. Alright, okay. You refresh and save. Okay, we have our wood car over here. The next one is this paragraph from Richard Smith. Where is the paragraph? Is it here? Okay, good. We have the paragraph is here. So indent it. Indentation. Okay, it stops here. Image from Richard Smith by Creative Commons 2.0. That's good. You end it here. You indent this. So the next one is the image of Oscar Mayer car. That is the second car, the second type of car here, Oscar Mayer car. So this is the image of the Oscar Mayer car. So you come over here, you debug this. An image of Oscar Mayer car is supposed to be here, but rather we have alternative tests of Oscar. So you debug this image tag. Okay, img src. Okay, here is the bug. So there is no file name here, there is no image description inside the quotation mark. And what is the name of this image? The name is Oscar Mayer car. So you type O. Okay, now that is it. It pops up. Oscar Mayer car.jpg. You select it. Okay. You refresh and save. Okay. So that is it. That's the image of Oscar Mayer car. That's the image of Oscar Mayer car from Scott family. Paragraph from Scott family. Okay, good. It ends here. You indent. Okay. So the next is the type of car is what is the name of the third car? The name is LL Bean Bootmobile. LL Bean Bootmobile. Okay. Okay, that's it. LL Bean Bootmobile. I don't think we have any problem with this car. No problem here. The image tag is correct. That's why we have the image here. Okay. So this is the paragraph. Correct. Okay. So we don't have any problem with this. You indent. The last car is the grass car. the grass car. Okay, here we have the alternative test of grass car, but there is no image. So you debug this image tag img src. Okay, I found the bug. There is no equal to sign here. Add equal to sign. Okay, so refresh and save. Refresh and save. Okay, that's the grass car. We'll have our grass car. That's it. So what's remaining? From Paul Hudson, you indent the paragraph. Okay, it was closed. Now rather we have a here list. There is li here. Okay, it's not supposed to be here. Li list, and also ul is in pink color, so that means a bug. So where is this bug? Let's find the bug. Okay, I have ul here, closing tag ul, have closing tag ul. Okay, closing tag ul. Okay, so yeah, that's it. The pink color disappears. So our web page is ready. So when you look at this web page now, you will see that it is easy to do what? To read. It's very, very easy to do what? To read. If you don't need this space, you can go back. Okay, it will be like this. Now it's easy to read. So this is called what? Formatting. Formatting of what? Web pages. So the two ways by which you can format your web page is by using what? White space and indentation. White space and indentation. And you remember that I told you that formatting is arranging text in a way that makes it easier to understand. So when you look at this text, it's very, very easy to understand. Okay, and the two ways by which our web page can be formatted is by using white space and what? Indentation. And white space means what? Any character that shows up as a blank space on the screen. So these are blank spaces. When you have blank spaces, your text will be easier for you to do what? To read. While indentation means what? Placement of text far to the right or far to the what? Left. When you place your text far to the right or far to the left, to separate it from the surrounding text is called what? Indentation. So over here, paragraph is inside the body, but you separated it. Alright? So that's all for today. So I hope you did this. I hope you got everything correct, and I hope your web page is ready, just like my web page. Thank you guys. See you in the next class. Take care.